Welcome guys, you're in the kitchen with Chef R. Allen, and today we're making a Monterey chicken spaghetti. So easy to make, most importantly, delicious to eat. You're in the kitchen with Chef R. Allen. Welcome once again guys, you're in the kitchen with Chef R. Allen, cooking made easy. Today I'm doing a Monterey Jack chicken spaghetti, a Monterey chicken spaghetti, man, oh so delicious, easy to make. We're gonna start down here, and I got the oven on 350. Let's bring this in. I got the oven on 350. I got my rotisserie chicken left over, chopped up. You can, if it's not rotisserie, you can cook your chicken thighs or breasts or whatever that works for you. Chop that up. I got my cream of chicken soup, the cream of chicken soup mix in the can. I got my fried onions, sour cream, real simple guys. Monterey Jack shredded cheese, I got that. And I got some spinach. You want to make sure it's thawed out and drained, the spinach. And of course I cooked the spaghetti off. I cooked my pasta off. And I got my baking dish and I got that oiled up. It's real simple. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add our chicken in this bowl. We're gonna mix this up with the chicken in the bowl. And I'll add more as we go. We add our cream of chicken. Set that aside. And guys, I just want to thank you guys. You already know, for your likes and your subscribe and everything that you're doing for us, for me, and you know, making this channel grow. I really appreciate it. Okay, so see, I got the oven on low. I got the oven on 350. Okay, we're gonna add a little garlic. Recipe will be at the bottom of the description as always. We're gonna add some of this French onion here, the fried onion in the bowl. Then we're gonna add some when we top it off. And that's the same with the cheese. So half inside the mixture, and then half on the outside. And that's the same with the cheese. Half inside, half outside. Then we're gonna do our sour cream. And the recipe, as always, at the bottom of the description. I just like to do a little bit just to show you guys, get you the foundation of it. And we're gonna mix this together. First off. You want to get all that mixture in before you put the pasta in. Mix all that together. Then we're gonna add a little bit of this pasta to it, and we want to combine it. And you'll do a little at a time, because we want to completely combine all that together. Oh guys, this is delicious too. And make sure it's well combined before we put in the baking dish. And nice, as you see, nice and creamy. We'll put a little more spinach. Put a little more pasta. And it's real simple, easy to make. Like I say, coming home, kids at school, you want a quick meal, and it's cooking made easy. You want well combined, get it well combined. Oh yeah, that's what you want right there. That's the look you want right there. Okay, we're gonna set this aside. And like I said, I have the baking dish already oiled up with cooking spray. I'm gonna drop this in. And I'll end up baking maybe 2 pans of it because I want you guys to. And it takes about maybe 40 to 45 minutes. You want the cheese and the fried onions to be bubbly and golden, but I'll show you all that as we go. Oh yeah. Evenly lay this here. And like I said, the remaining of the cheese, you want to put that in there, and then you're going to put the fried onions. Now we're gonna add a little more cheese. Let's bring this open. Add a little more of this cheese. And like I said, about 40 to 45 minutes. It all depends on, you just want the cheese to bubble up. You want the pasta to bubble, and then you want the onions to be golden brown. So we're gonna put a little more of this on there. We got it on 350. Oh yes. Can't go wrong with the fried onions. And guys, we're gonna put this in the oven. Like I said, I got it on 350. Got it on 350. I'm gonna let this cook for about 40 and 45 minutes. And guys, like I say, I get a lot of replies and comments, and guys want me to cook certain stuff, and I mean, just let me know what you guys want, what works for you guys, and what don't work. Because like I said, we're making this channel grow together, so I need all the input. If you guys got anything for me, showing that what I'm doing, what you need to see more of, and all that, I got you. But until next time, we're doing this here. You're in the kitchen with Chef R. Allen. And guys, like I said, 40, 45 minutes, we're going to bring this in. And I thank you guys. Okay, guys, we're about ready. Let's bring this down. Man, it's smelling so good. Oh yeah, that's what we're looking at. Look at that, guys. That right there is my Monterey chicken spaghetti. Cut this off. You got the cheese in here, you got the bubbly. We're gonna take a little bit of this here. Oh yeah. And you see the cheese and oh man, and the spinach. Bring this in. And this is it, guys. This is my Monterey chicken spaghetti. Bring this. I want you guys to see this here. This here. Guys, easy to make. Most importantly, delicious to eat. Guys, until next time, as always, I'll see you in the kitchen with Chef R. Allen, cooking made easy. And guys, you guys have a great holiday coming up, and God bless you guys.